This dua, when all the doors are closed, you're having huge financial problem, you tried everything, you applied, you did everything and nothing is happening. You have so many problems with your spouse. You have a lot of issues with your health. We need this dua daily to be protected from all the shayateen around us. We all know that we are living in shayateen headquarters and our children are bombarded day and night with haram. We need this dua day and night. ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا. What does this dua mean? Listen carefully, because when we make dua, we have to know what it means. Ya Allah, we want a special rahmah min ladunka from you, because you are Arham al-Rahimin. You are the Rahman. We want rahmah, very particular, specific rahmah, only from you. We don't want anyone else's rahmah. We don't want any human's rahmah. We want only your rahmah. ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا. What does that mean? Ya Allah, give us the tawfiq. Look how much we all need it, especially myself. Ya Allah, give us the tawfiq to make the decisions that are pleasing to you. This is exactly what the dua means.